Hey everybody, this is Don over at Johnny's Used Cars. Voted the best place to buy a car in Okinawa by the military community of Okinawa for 2 consecutive years. That's right, you won back in 2023, kept the title here for the repeat in 2024, and naturally going into the three-peat here in 2025. Results do come out in a couple months. For now, I'm going to show this 2009 Suzuki Splash that just came in. It's got 73,000 kilometers on it, which is about 45,000 miles. That's it, only 45,000. But before I get started, I'd like to let you know that we do have on-the-lot discounts. So the price you're seeing on the website right now will not be the final price when you come on the lot. Also, if you're arriving to Okinawa soon, or you just arrived, please make sure you stop by Johnny's Used Cars as soon as you can and have a look around. Even before you get yourself a driver's license, there are benefits of doing it that way. So with that, let's have a look around. I'll show the features inside. But first, I'd like to ask you to please watch the video until the end. I do go over a lot of information in my videos, can answer a lot of your questions. Things like the JCI, the warranty, the financing. I cover all that and more, so please bear with me till the end. You have all the answers. If not, please contact me or stop on by. The Suzuki Splash is a 5-passenger vehicle in the 500 series category, so the mid-size category. Road tax per year is going to be 7,500 yen, which is about $55 right now with the current exchange rate. Road tax is due every April-May time frame. So we're going to take care of the new 2025 road tax for you. You won't have to worry about that till April or May of next year. Now, you do have 2 ways to pay for this. First would mean US dollars cash out rate, which could get you a larger discount, or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months. Now, we do have a minimum down payment requirement of at least $300. That's it, only $300. But if you want to put more down, reduce your overall monthly payment, you can. A lot of our customers do like $500 to $1,000. Some do half, some do more. Up to you. Now, this one does not have the rain guards to show you. However, and always, you want to get yourself a good windshield visor. You got to keep that dash as cool as possible in this heat. So in addition to that, you may consider buying a dash cover. Or if you want to keep it simple, get yourself a nice size bath towel or beach towel and put that on top. So with that, let's jump on inside. Let's get this baby started. Again, it is going to be a little dirty, just coming in, but it's actually pretty clean. Okay, let's get this thing started. Sneak this in here. Oops, turn that radio off. Sorry, Troy. 73,047 on the odometer. Let's show you a couple of warning lights. That one right there, obviously the fuel, it did just come in, so we're going to put some fuel in there. That one is your seatbelt. Make sure you wear your seatbelts. They do give tickets on and off base. And that one over there is your emergency brake. This one's a hand brake, so when you disengage, it goes away. Engage, it comes right back on. Other than that, and you can see some of the other silhouettes of some of the warning lights. So, anything pops up on the dash while you're driving, especially if it's red, please pull over immediately, find out what it is, take the necessary action. On top of the dash here, you do have a little compartment for some storage. You have your radio. This one does not have a rear camera. You have your air conditioning controls, power outlet, your very sophisticated cup holder there, your shifter, another cup holder, your handbrake, and another cup holder. You have a shelf above the glove box and then the glove box itself, and then a little bit of storage and cup holder on each door panel. That is your passenger space over there. You got your red road flare hanging out over there. Then this is the space I have on my side. The seat is all the way back, all the way down. I am 5'11", as everybody loves knowing. Pretty good right where I am, or I could actually slide this up an inch or two and still be comfortable driving. Let's go eye level. That's my eye level right there. Really can't see anything past the windshield wipers like on most vehicles. All the way back. Now, I normally take this time to show the auction sheet, showing you this is a non-accident vehicle from mainland Japan. Please keep that in mind. Graded non-accident from the auctions up in mainland. All these other dealers out here can't tell you that on all their cars. We can for each one. But because it just came in, I keep those inside the office till it's been detailed. Once detailed, I'm going to put it up here on the sun visor on the driver's side so you can see that for yourself. We'll help you decipher it if need be, and there are dealers out here that'll try to discredit the auction sheet. Stop by, we'll explain why. Let's show you a couple other things before we go to the back seat. Let me open this up. Oh, actually, let me go over here. So on the left side here, you do have this guy hanging out right there. That's your ETC reader. That's your electronic toll collector. Works like Easy Pass in the States if you're able to get the card for it for the expressway. Let me come over here. You have this control that's going to control the angle of your headlights. So maybe it's a foggy morning, want to see the street a little better, that's where you're going to do it. And then all the way down here, you have your hood release. Down here on the floor, please don't forget your gas cover release. Then on the door panel, you have your mirror, window, and door lock controls right here. All right, so let's turn this off and let's head to the back seat. So there's a little more compact, and like I said, I could probably slide it up a couple inches because With it as is, I'm probably about a half inch. I mean, I'm flush with it, but I'm probably a half inch into the back seat. Okay, I can make it work by putting my legs out a little bit, but nothing as far as storage on the back of the driver's seat. But you have pocket storage on the back of the passenger seat. As always, be careful what you put in there. You don't want to rip it. And then nothing as far as storage on the door panels. Excuse me. And then no center console or armrest back here. All right, let's go to the back. So here's your rear space. Okay, now you do have this little privacy cover. You can take that out if you have to haul stuff, because they do have a lever on each side that you can put these seats down. Let me see if I can do this one. Hopefully that seat, yeah, that seat's kind of reclined a little bit, and it has to be moved up a little bit. If you have those, let me just try that real quick. Yeah, it has to be moved up a little bit, and then you can move it back down. So you're probably going to lose an inch if it's up front, and then you can see it does go fairly flat. Okay, you have this whole space open. Not too bad. It's a good little commuter car. Go up here, show you the engine compartment. I'm going to wrap this video up. All right, there you have it. It's a 1.2 liter engine, which will be cleaned during the detailing process. It's actually pretty nice already. So there you have it, 2009 Suzuki Splash. What did I say, 73,000 kilometers on it, which again, about 45,000 miles. Military price is going to $4,600. With additional military discount, we'll get it down to $4,400. Again, while you're here, please ask the information guy about on-the-lot discounts, and you will get a lower price on this. For now, the $4,400 will include a 2-year JCI, the 1-year bumper-to-bumper full warranty, the new 2025 road tax, and the 10% sales tax is already included. Only thing on top will be the American insurance requirement, whether you go liability or full coverage, which is totally up to you, and we can assist you with that here. Touching on these warranties real quick, yes, there are 2-year warranties out here. However, they're not the best thing since sliced bread, so don't be fooled by them. Stop by, we'll explain why. But we do encourage you to shop around, go to the dealer, see what they have, check out the condition, mileage, and pricing of their vehicles, then stop by Johnny's Used Cars at a show we have, what our program's all about and how we're going to assist you. We are definitely making a difference out here because we are different. One of the many reasons why we did win the Sergeant Stripes, Best Pacific Magazines, Best Place to Buy a Car in Okinawa Award for the 2nd consecutive year, going for our 3rd. Stop by, we'll show you why, like we have many, many others. Don't forget 2 ways to pay for it. Use dollars cash outright, or take advantage of 0% financing for 24 months. Either way, we're good to go. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Hope to see you soon.